Hey everyone, how you doing today? CT in the house, what's poppin'? KAA, Chris Trickel, what's up? And what's poppin', everyone? How's my CT fans, friends and family, and YouTube? What's up, y'all? How you doing? We got some epic news today. Before we start the video, here's 3 things I'll tell you. Number 1, you have to leave a like on the video on my channel. This is going to be 1,300 likes on the video. Number 2 is going to be the comments and video views. This one is going to be 10 million views on my channel. And for the comments down below, I have to read your comments. It's going to be super fun, epic. I got new content. This one right here is a perfect content. This one is super mind blown this today. And number 3 is going to be the red subscribe button. If you see it, turn it gray. Click it. It says subscribe. And next to the subscribe button, there is the bell icon. If you see it, click it. Turn it gray. You can watch all my videos back to back. Turn on post notifications, and the bell will get notified. All my videos. Get ready for this. This is going to be the biggest video ever. We are doing 3 clips on today's video. Get ready for the awesome, epic, mind blown, everyone. Keep on subscribed. We're about to reach hashtag 900 subscribers. That's coming out super quick. And get ready for the ultimate video, everyone. Get ready. Here we go. Alright guys, and everyone around the world, are you ready for this? So this video I just watched on your personal channel, and you're watching my video. That video was mind blown epic. It was 3 times in a row. Boom. That is, I'm gonna say that was a electrified, epic. That's a new word I just made up. It was mind blown. That video was good. The whole thing I will tell you is this person wearing sunglasses in that video when his pilot crew on the video, he was having I'm gonna say that was a glitch. What happened was his pilot crew doing a limit like that. It was like I'm gonna say malfunction. So what his drone moved by himself, it's like he's doing it by himself, and the guy wearing a white thing on his head, control of the drone, and it was crazy. One of his pilot crew, everyone wear a white thing on their face, covered with a pilot thing on their head. It's like a helmet of the robot drone. And then I saw what happened was this person wearing glasses in the video, and he was, excuse me, sorry, I just burped. So in the video I just watched was one of his drone problem. And that character inside his head, or I must say is that creature inside his mind. It was a creature of his head, and his voice changed a lot. He was a friend of the person next to him. He was doing a distraction of these bad guys around him, and this person got a gun. He tried to hit him, but he did not. So 2 of them against 4 bad guys. They're in an elevator. They got beat up, and he was doing I'm gonna say algae cough. He just did. 2 of them got a fight. One by one. 2 of them next to the others, they got beat up by the elevator guys. It was crazy. And I did tell you, next clip, get ready for this. So that video, one of these people, the drone was under attack, like the guns inside the drone mind. The body just moved by itself like that. It's like they're under attack, the whole thing. They got guns on their mind. It was keep shooting at them. It's like, I'm gonna say a target at the people they know. And this person just put confirm on, I'm gonna say, the country of, I'm gonna say that was a 4 around the thing was in the water, and they found this creature uprise out of the water, and it was crazy thing I just saw. Was crazy, everyone. That was nuts, that video. And then him and her in the video, they tried to disable the thing, and the person wearing no glasses, it was broke, so he don't want it. So he decided to help him and his partner together, and the creature speak different languages. It was like crazy. He got a different language of the character. His mind, his hand was control of his mind. That creature inside his body. Rick has this creature and inside his mind. That was a character inside his mind, because this is crazy video on, I'm gonna say, Pacific Rim uprising movie. It's my favorite part of the video. They did real good for an action video for them. Fantastic for them. And I did tell you the last clip, number 3, is going to be fun. Get ready. Alright guys, this is the last clip, number 3. So, the lady and the guy disabled to remove the thing on the screen, and the person who ran away because he's the enemy of the friend. Help him, his partner, turn back at him. So it was mind blown. It was crazy. And the lady used a gun to stop him. So the country was in target. They found the creature in the water, uprising, but they decided to shut it down. It was crazy. The drone of a robot, disabled. All of them are disabled. That was kind of awesome what they did. They decided to remove the virus through a good, normal way. It was kind of good. And everyone, thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on notifications, click the bell. The greatest way. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.